Let me walk you through my antlers with flower crowns. So first I start to the side and then pull down to where my center is. So this just helps me sketch that on the other side I'm gonna mimic it so it's symmetrical. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just gives you an idea, okay? So that fills our space. Then you can go in and add your points. Like I'm gonna put one on one side up top, and whatever I add on one side, you add on the other side. I'm gonna come from the side in and you just mirror it back and forth. An extra point in the middle, and then we're gonna go ahead and cure this before we do more. Now for the flowers. Do uneven blobs of your favorite color in just a couple spots and do it again on the other side. Now I'm gonna take a color in the same color scheme, but not the same, and put it on after I've cured that first color. So over here, you're kind of balancing it and making it not symmetrical, not mirrored, so different than you did with the antlers. Then choose a color for your center dots. Here I'm staying dark, I'm staying muted, I'm staying fall-like, so you could use a lighter color for the center if you would like. And make sure when you're going with the dotting tool, you go straight up and down so you don't create a little tail. Now for your wiggles. I mixed my white with a little bit of my darker color just to mute it so it fit within the color scheme. And your whole goal here is to kind of create the layering of the petals. Now I'm just doing little squiggles, and then I'm gonna grab some more, and I'm even gonna go outside the blob to kind of grow the flower crown to fit the space. And we have a couple extra finishing touches to add to this afterwards, so don't be shy to fill your space. Final touches, greenery. I'm going to do sprigs here in an olive color to fit the color palette. I'm just pulling them and filling them in, and then I'm going to cure that. And then I love groupings of a little bit of metallic dots. You could do these as berries, you could do sprigs with it, but here we're just going to stick with a nice gold set of dots in sets of 3, and then we're going to go ahead and cure that. Once it's cured, we're gonna pull it back out and do your top coat. We're choosing a matte top coat to be able to see the detail, and I'm using the new Luxa Velveteen one because it's more stain resistant on this light color. Cure it. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you give it a shot.